University is one of the globally accepted universities of India, established in 1965. Dibrugarh University is selected for University Connect program under the G20. At present, we are offering more than 60 programs on science, technology, engineering and mathematics, and also arts, humanities and commerce. We have different language programs on indigenous local languages as well as foreign languages such as the Korean language. From our university, already a good number of students from different countries of the world have got their degrees in their respective programs, including PhD programs. We have international collaboration with different countries. Our passed out students have taken an active part in collaboration of these international activities. At present, we are going to open dual programs with different institutions in the mass stage all over the world. Recently, UGC has selected Dibrugarh University to offer exchange programs, twinning programs and dual degree programs with few universities of the US.
Everyone, my name is Steven Kiyarugayo and I'm from Uganda. Department of International Affairs is really collaborative. I remember when I was applying to come here, they were very interactive and sending emails. They kept me updated. Coming to the northeastern part of India was a blessing. It's an area that most people have not really adventured into for study purposes. I would recommend fellow countrymen and people in Uganda or elsewhere in Africa to come and explore this place.
Prabhat Assam. Moro naam Ahmad hoy, mor Africa se hoy. I am from Chad, originally from Mali. Okay, firstly is the land of friendly people. I would like to say we feel safe only in Assam. People makes you feel you are at home. And by ending, I would like to say if God will give me the chance to choose who am I going to be in the future, I would choose to be Assamese. Apunak, bahut bahut dhanyavad.
Hi, namaskar. My name is Marwa. I'm from Egypt. I study PhD in sociology. I enjoyed the family in Dibrugarh University. I feel like I'm not far from my home. The weather here in Dibrugarh is a little bit different in Egypt. We have clear 4 seasons, but here sometimes that I can see the 4 seasons in one day. In Dibrugarh, in general, the weather is nice. I like warm weather sometimes. The flowers, the green area. In Dibrugarh, I feel very safe. The people very, very kind. I visit other places in India, but I feel this is my comfortable zone here.
Hello everyone, greetings from Dibrugarh University. I am Professor Surajit Borkotoki, the Director of the Office of International Affairs. I welcome you to Dibrugarh University for the coming session. I must tell you that you will be greeted here with handful opportunities for your career if you choose Dibrugarh University as your next destination. We are committed to provide you an international level of academic experience. The one-stop solution for all your issues is the Office of International Affairs, Dibrugarh University. We at the Office of International Affairs will appoint a mentor for each of you from the departments or centers where you are going to get admitted. We will act as a bridge between you and the ICCR, the funding agency. We will provide all your academic, logistics, and other supports to you so that you can cope up with the new environment here in Dibrugarh University. We also have a full-fledged state-of-the-art international hostel for the international students, where now we have 36 students of the different parts of the world, and this hostel has capacity of 50 students with all sorts of amenities so that you can feel at home, you can have a home away from home. So my friends, welcome to Dibrugarh University. We are looking forward to meet you in a coming session.